Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
Loud stomach noises, called borborygmi, happen when your intestines move gas and fluids, not just from hunger. These sounds can occur during digestion or when your gut processes air and fluids, even after eating. Stress, swallowing air, or natural gut movements also cause these noises. So, stomach growls don't always mean you're hungry. Sometimes it's just your digestive system doing its job.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.